Hello everybody, this is Tim, and a common question that I hear a lot from people that don't really play guitar a lot is what kind of guitar should I buy? You know, maybe you've never played guitar before and you want to learn how to play, or maybe you've been playing guitar for a long time and you want a new guitar, and yeah, the question's gonna happen, what guitar should I buy, you know? So that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, so stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. So there's really three kind of guitars that you can get, in my opinion. You got the electric guitar, which is really popular. You have an acoustic guitar, again very popular, and then there's a different kind of acoustic guitar called a nylon classical guitar, and that's just another option. So which one of these guitars is the best? If you're a beginner, you know, which one should you buy? It's a good question. So let me start off by talking about the electric guitar, because the electric guitar is probably my favorite, and a lot of people, their first guitar is an electric guitar. So what are the pros and cons? Electric guitars are very easy to play. The strings are very bendable. You can play, you know, chords very easily, and it sounds cool too. The only con I would say about an electric guitar is that you have to buy an amp, which can be a little expensive, and also if you have an amp, then you can't necessarily play in any situation. You know, you can't just go to a campfire and bring your electric guitar, you know, unless you get a portable amp or something, I don't know. But yeah, so I would say electric guitar is probably a good choice if you're a beginner. By the way, when it comes to costs, I'm not really going to talk about costs, because all different kinds of guitars are going to cost whatever. You can get a really cheap electric guitar for like $200, even less. I wouldn't recommend going less than $200 because it's probably going to be not good. You can get a guitar for $10,000. You know, guitars, the cost is all over the board for all three of these guitars. So I'm not going to really be talking about cost too much. So yeah, that's electric for you. I would recommend it. Yeah, so the second kind of guitar, which, spoiler alert, is the guitar that I recommend the most if you're a beginner. And also, most people don't really talk about this, I'm not sure why, is a classical nylon guitar. Classical nylon guitars are my personal favorite if you're a beginner just starting out, because they're a lot like electric guitars, believe it or not. The strings on a nylon guitar are very easy to play. You know, you can bend them really easily. You know, if your fingers aren't that strong yet when it comes to like switching between chords, let's say you're brand new, you're still trying to figure out the chords. On a regular acoustic, it's really hard, honestly, to like hold it down and get the sound because the strings are thicker. So a nylon guitar, it's much easier to kind of get started on nylon, learn how to play. The strings are very bendable. Another thing about nylon that's really cool is that it sounds amazing. Nylon classical guitars sound like you are in Spain or something, playing by the sea, you know, something like that. It's really just a good sounding instrument. I'm a big fan, and if you know, play it in front of your friends, they're gonna think it's amazing. It's just a great instrument all around. So that would be my recommendation, honestly. And yeah, you're not gonna hear that from a lot of people. I don't really know why, to be honest. Maybe people haven't really played nylon guitar, I guess. It's not as popular as a regular acoustic guitar. But yeah, it's just the best option in my opinion. The last one I'm going to talk about is a traditional acoustic guitar, this is the one I guarantee you, if you ask 90% of people, what's the first guitar you get, they'll say get a regular acoustic. And I disagree very much because, to be honest, playing a regular acoustic guitar is hard. The strings are really strong. It's tough to kind of push the string down hard enough to get a good sound. And if you play, like, take me for example, I have a nylon and a regular acoustic, but I can play the nylon for hours and my hands will feel fine. If I play a regular acoustic for hours, my hands will definitely be really sore because the strings on a regular acoustic are steel. And a nylon is obviously nylon. It's plastic. So, yeah, I just wouldn't recommend an acoustic guitar for that reason. So, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing out. Yeah, I think that's just about it. I would say, people love acoustic guitars. They play them a lot. You'll see them at open mics, for example. Yeah, there's a golf cart. Sorry about that noise in the background. But you'll see that a lot of open mics. People have like regular acoustics. You don't really see a nylon classical guitar that much. But in my opinion, it's so much better to have a nylon classical guitar if you're just starting out. It sounds cooler, easy to play, not going to be more expensive unless you're trying to get a really, really cheap acoustic, I guess. And overall, it's just more fun to play. So if you're brand new, I hope this video helps. Get a classical nylon guitar. If someone says you don't want to do that, tell them, no, don't worry, I watched this video, and the video told me to get a nylon guitar. So get a nylon or an electric. Again, the only real downside with the electric guitar is that you have to buy an amp, and you can't play it in any situation, and it's really loud. That's another thing. But yeah, I mean, realistically, you can play any three of these guitars. I would just say probably if you're brand new, nylon number 1, electric number 2, and regular acoustic number 3. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, because more videos like this will be coming about how to either play guitar or just guitar advice, because I like playing guitar a lot and I have some advice, so yeah, share this video as well to someone who is in need of some guitar advice. And yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.